Hi there, I'm Charles from Festive Lights. Christmas decorating should be much more fun than frustration. That is why we do the design, the install, and the takedown, so you can only have the fun. We have a wide range of quality products. Our unique steel-framed linkable system prevents tangles, and our product has a 10-year warranty. Our installers work year-round for us in other ventures, so we really can depend on them for excellent service. We can typically do a job in half a day, even 3-story gables. We will do a free quote and a custom graphic design on our state-of-the-art software, and you will see in advance exactly what the finished display will look like. So please call us at 703-291-4858 or visit our website at festivelights.biz. That is 703-291-4858 or festivelights.biz. Merry Christmas, and may you truly be blessed this festive season.